said to
Are you going to push Zelensky for peace?
President Trump, what happened with Chuck Schumer?
Are you going to push
Why did you
Zelensky
cancel
for
the
peace,
meeting?
President Trump?
President Trump, why did you cancel the meeting with Chuck Schumer?
You got everything?
We're not sending them.
Welcome. Very happy to have you. Nice to see you. Everyone's waiting.
Okay, let's go.
What's your message on Palestine?
President Trump,
Mr. President, what is your message in light of the Palestinian
talk about what happened with Chuck? President Trump, what happened with Chuck
What's your
Schumer?
message?
President Trump, what happened with Chuck Schumer? Why did you cancel the meeting?
President Trump.
President Trump, why did you cancel the meeting with Chuck Schumer?
Эскалатор не работает.